Hello, kia ora, how are you?
He tāanga oranga mō ngā whānau Ōtautahi, e noho mōrea ana ki te kore rātou e whai pūtea ana.
In Ōtautahi there isn't another agency quite like them. There's no mum and bubs groups like this, so I feel like if whānau who are hapu or have small pepes and they needed emotional or practical support, they may struggle a bit.
Ko pips tētahi kāhui tautoko i ngā whānau o Ōtautahi mō ngā taurima te kau. Mā te toha kai, te toha kākahu, me etahi atu tapu hoki. Ko te nuinga o ngā pūtea i takea mai i a Rata Foundation me te kaunihera o Ōtautahi. Kua roa nei a Michelle Ngatai e whiwhi āwhina ana nā runga i ngā āhuatanga o ana tamaiti me tā rātou hauora.
I found out that I was pregnant again with a third child, and my son at the time was only 6 months old. So I called upon PIPS for support in terms of like keeping the baby. When I gave birth to him, he came 6 weeks early. And I was on the verge of going into emergency housing. I was newly single. They came to the hospital and they gave me some clothing to support me while we were in hospital. And when we came out, they gave me a porta cot and a double pram to help me get around with my sons.
We're probably most well known for our material aid support. So we also run a range of support groups. We loan out capsules and bassinets. So basically anyone who is pregnant or has a small baby can come in.
Kua heki, te pōrearea i ēnei tau e whā. No tēnei tau, ko kaha tautoko tēnei kāhui i ngā whānau ko 1,300. Koni atu i te 3,500 o ngā whānau, ko tō rātou a rātou ringa ki ngā pūtahi āwhina. Ka mutu ko tōna 70,000 o ngā tapu ko tō haina ki ngā whānau e hia te ana. E ai ki te menetia a Megan Talman, ka kore rātou whiwhi pūtea mai ngā pūtahi o te kāwanatanga.
We talk about doing critical work but not getting the critical funds to fund what we're doing, and our mahi's only growing larger and larger every day and every week. We have countless clients that have been referred to us from WINS, Oranga Tamariki, a whole range of government departments, and filling that gap for the government and those organisations, and unfortunately don't have the funds to help continue our mahi on.
Everything comes in, donations get put in these plastic tubs.
Nā runga i ngā āhuatanga o te utu oranga, ko whakawhirina ki rātou ki ngā karāti me ngā puna tākoha. Heoi, kua huri tuara rātou nā te nui o ngā tono.
It's a constant job looking for grant funding out there. It's often smaller grants of $5,000–6,000, which we're super grateful for. But it's a lot of mahi in the evenings doing these grant writing.
E manoko ana a Ngatai, ka tū tonu tēnei kaupapa, kei raru ia i ngā wā o te hotoke.
If I was to have another pepe in the future, this would be #1 place I would go to for support. So I'm very hopeful they stay open.
We're definitely worried about what's going to happen for the future, but we're going to do everything we can to stay here because I think it's really important.
Ko te aronga o te wā, ko te penapena i te 25,000 tāra i mua i te mutunga o te tau. Kei noho taumaha ngā whānau o Ōtautahi. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Nice to see you. Lovely to see you. Thanks.